Imagine giving an English exam where no human checks your paper and you get your results in just 2 days. Sounds interesting, right? This is exactly what PT is. Hello everyone, welcome to Overseas Admit, and in this video I'll explain everything you need to know about PT in the simplest and the most practical way possible. By the end of this video, you will understand what PT is, how the exam works, its sections, scoring system, and most importantly, whether PT is right for you or not. So let's start with the basics. PT stands for Pearson Test of English. It is an English proficiency exam. It is used for study abroad, work, and migration. The biggest difference from other exams is PT is completely computer based. There is no human examiner, and everything your speaking, your writing, your answers, everything is checked by AI, that is artificial intelligence. So now you might wonder, is PT accepted everywhere? So the answer to this question is yes. PT is accepted in countries like Canada, Australia, UK, New Zealand, and many universities worldwide. In fact, PT is becoming more popular because of its past results and accuracy. Now, let's understand the structure of the exam. PT has three sections, which is speaking and writing, reading, and listening. The total exam duration is around 2 hours, but there's something more unique. PT has integrated task. That means you may listen, read, and speak in the same question itself. So now let's start with the section 1, that is speaking and writing. Yes, in PT, speaking and writing is counted as one section and it is integrated. This section lasts around 54 to 67 minutes. You will get tasks like read aloud, repeat sentence, describe an image, essay writing. Now, here's the important part. Your speaking is recorded through a microphone. So your pronunciation, fluency, and clarity, all of it matters a lot. Next is the reading section. This section will take around 29 to 30 minutes. You will get tasks like filling the blanks, reorder the paragraph, multiple choice question. This section will test your ability to understand written English very quickly. Now comes the last and third section, that is listening section. Duration is around 30 to 43 minutes, and you will hear audio clips and answer questions like summarize the spoken text, filling the blanks, highlight correct summary, and again. Focus and quick response are very important here as well. Now, let's talk about something that every student cares about, that is the scoring system. PT uses a score range from 10 to 90, and your score is calculated by an AI system, not a human examiner. That means there's no biasness, no mood factor, no human error. But here's the important part. PT doesn't just check right or wrong answers. It will also check things like your pronunciation, your fluency, your response speed. So even in speaking, how clearly and smooth you speak can affect your score. Also, many tasks in PT, as I said, are connected. For example, a speaking question can also impact your listening score. So you're not just preparing section by section, you're improving multiple skills at the same time. That's why understanding the format is very important in PT. Now let's talk about how many students prefer PT. The biggest advantage is speed. You usually get your results within 24 to 48 hours. Also, the scoring is done by AI, so there's no human biasness. And the format is also fixed, so once you understand it, it becomes very easy to manage. Now, the most important question of the video is who should choose PT? You should choose PT if you're comfortable with computers, you're comfortable with recordings, you can respond quickly, and you're very good at typing, and you prefer no face to face speaking. But if you think you need more time to think, PT might feel a little fast for you. The biggest mistake that students make is they think PT is easy. No, it's not easy, it's just different. If you understand the format and practice properly, then it becomes scoring for you. Many students think, let me just practice randomly. No, but that doesn't work. You need a very smart strategy for that. So, first, understand the exam format completely. Know each question type, what it expects, and how it is scored. Second, focus on practice with the timing. Because in PT, speed is very important. So if you take too long, you will lose your marks. Third, improve your core skills. Core skills like pronunciation, listening accuracy, reading speed, all of this. Don't just solve questions, work on your skills also. Fourth, take the mock test regularly. This helps you to track your progress, identify your weaker areas, work on it, build exam confidence, and finally, be consistent. Even 1 or 2 hours of practice daily can make a huge difference in your score. So remember, PT is not just about perfect English, it's about speed, accuracy, and strategy. So, if you're planning to start PT preparations, you can connect with us at Overseas Admit. If you find this video helpful, please do like and share. See you in the next video. Thank you.